Welcome to Texas Home Loans. VA Construction. We need to talk about it. Are you ready to build your dream home? With a VA Construction loan, you can turn your vision into reality. VA Construction is specifically designed for military service members and veterans looking to build the home that they want. Here's how the process works. First, you need to find a lender that specializes with VA Construction loans. We do that. They will guide you through the process, application, and help you determine how much you can afford. Once you're approved, time to start planning. You need to work with an architect or a builder to create the perfect design for your dream home. Design the layout, the materials, the features that will make this property yours. Next, it's time to secure the necessary permits and approvals. Your lender will help you navigate this process. We'll help you ensure that all the necessary paperwork are in order. Don't forget to include any additional items and upgrades that you want. Once that's all in order, construction can begin. The lender will disperse the funds once different benchmarks are met. For example, the slab or the framing, those kinds of things. Then the builder gets reimbursed, and then they do the next stage. So while your dream home is being built, it's important to stay in close contact with the lender and the builder. You want to check on this, make sure things are happening how they're supposed to. Finally, when construction is complete, it's time to move into your brand new dream home. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing that this is what you created from your service and the VA Construction loan. Building your dream home with the VA Construction loan is easier than you might think. We have to walk through all of this. It's a few more steps, but it can be done. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Hit the like button. And again, thank you for your service.